We continue to follow the devastating wildfires burning in California this morning. At this hour, there are 4 major wildfires still burning.
And we're now told 16 people have now died. The fire has burned more than 60 square miles, destroyed over 12,000 homes and structures. Tens of thousands of people have been displaced. And now, with new high wind warnings, officials warn they might have to cut the power to some neighborhoods in the area. Charlie DeMar is in Los Angeles for us with the very latest from the ground. Charlie, what can you tell us?
Good morning, and tragically that death toll is expected to rise as the cleanup begins here in Los Angeles. The largest fire that is still burning, that's the Palisades fire. It is only 11% contained and has already burned over 23,000 acres of land. Air tankers dropped retardant, and other aircraft unleashed water on the Palisades fire. Still burning after it ignited Tuesday. New evacuation orders were issued in the Brentwood and Encino neighborhoods as it keeps spreading.
It really is in God's hands. There's no way to know. And they're doing everything they can with the air support to try to knock it out. And if the winds don't come back, we're going to be fine. And if the winds come back, this whole area is going to be gone. Winds were expected to pick up overnight, fueling fears that this fire could spread even more. Firefighters are making progress on the Eaton fire, but it's slow going.
Huge Herculean task to get through all this down here. We have a ton of work. It's many days, many weeks of work.
More National Guard troops were moved into the area, doubling the number to more than 1,600.
We continue to grow our strength as needed to ensure that we can anticipate needs ahead of time and ensure that we can meet those needs before it becomes a challenge.
California's Attorney General also warned against looting following a couple dozen arrests, as well as price gouging fire victims.
The last thing they need is for someone to victimize them again, exploit them, and take advantage of them and harm them through price gouging. They need the opposite.
So many need so much right now.
We're also giving away 2 cases of water to each family.
Community members are stepping in to help their fellow neighbors. And you can see the utter devastation. You can see how intense this fire was. It of course, is only natural that people are going to want to return back to their homes to try and sift through anything that may have survived. But leaders here in Los Angeles urging people not to, warning that the ash may contain lead, arsenic, asbestos, and other harmful materials. In Los Angeles, Charlie DeMar, CBS New York.
And CBS is working with the Red Cross to help those affected by the wildfires. To donate, scan the QR code on your screen or go to redcross.org/CBS.